We are
Wish.
You all released a brand new music video, Bolo Bolo.
We actually shot it at an abandoned hotel. It was a very spooky place. At 3 a.m., a lot of things happened. The lights went out, a lamp fell, electricity went out.
like dot
and at 3 a.m.
That's like paranormal. So you get a zit right before a big day.
Of course, that's
It's
like
so
every girl's nightmare.
Do you fight with each other?
We had a fight just before this.
Let's hear it.
Okay, let's see who wins this one.
What are the meanest comments you've read about yourselves?
There's a lot of, do you guys eat?
आप लोग हिंदी में बात क्यों नहीं करते हो? If we had to be BTS members, who would we be?
ये कैसे question है?
दिल में क्या छुपा है बोलो बोलो क्या इरादे बोलो बोलो सारे बहाने छोड़ो छोड़ो.
Hi everybody, my name is Sakshima Shrivastava and I hope that all of you are happy and healthy. Today on the show for the second time, I have Wish, India's very own girl pop group. Please welcome them. Hi guys! Hello, namaste.
So good to see you again.
Oh, thank you so much.
We're so happy to be here again.
Really?
Yes.
You all look like fairies. like sexy fairies.
You look like a model.
I do?
Yeah.
I was told by somebody very beautiful that I'm straight from Emily in Paris.
Emily in Paris.
It's like the best compliment,
You
right?
actually look like that.
Thank you, girls. But today is about you. Go ahead and introduce yourselves once again.
Hi, I'm Ree.
I'm Zoe.
I'm Sim.
I'm Suchi, and we are
Wish.
Really happy to have you all now. You all released a brand new music video, Bolo Bolo. I'm not exaggerating. I really think it's my favorite music video.
Yeah, it's true. We were getting mixed responses at first.
At first doesn't win.
As in, like, amongst our team, you know, we weren't sure that this should be like our next single. But I think we really put our foot down and we were like, no, Bolo Bolo is the one for us.
I like how you all can put your opinions forward in front of your team. That the dynamic is that the artist can say what they want to release. It's not the company sitting on your head.
that's a really cool thing.
So we actually shot it at an abandoned hotel here in Bombay.
I
And
thought it was JW. You know, where you do the hook step for the first time, it looks like those stairs.
yeah, you're right.
That's a
In
good
Juhu.
image.
I could see it.
Piano hata ke ye log dance kar rahe hain.
Yeah.
No, but this was like abandoned, super far away. It was a little spooky, but we enjoyed it.
I think you guys were doing the recce when we like bumped into each other at that party.
Yes, we were.
You were telling me you
planning
went
it.
for the recce that day.
that day. We had just come from the recce.
Yeah.
And it was a very spooky place, especially during the shoot. At 3 a.m., a lot of things happened. The lights went out, a lamp fell, electricity went
three,
out.
like dot
at
3
dot 3
a.m..
a.m. So which is why it was very freaky. But you guys are staying strong, right?
That's like paranormal. That's
I don't
legit.
believe in all of this.
You don't?
But like I do to an extent, but I don't think that those events were like, they believe it. They strongly believe it.
I totally believe it.
I believe in everything until proven otherwise. So
Okay.
if people are saying this stuff is happening, why not to believe it? Just be careful.
Yeah, no, it happened.
Just
like
the timing of it was very
3 a.m.
at
Come
3
on.
a.m. dot, all of this happened together.
The electricity
one
went
after the other.
out.
It was in RA Colony, which has like a lot of these set locations, but also like a lot of paranormal activity. Horror stories.
The moment you say RA, I know it happened.
Yeah.
I would actually love you all to perform that song right now. Unplugged. we have the
Oh, we
guitar ready,
can, for sure.
tuned. Let's go. for it.
Let's already get into
My
the
voice
music.
is a little nasally today.
Okay, let's go.
क्या छुपा है बोलो बोलो क्या इरादे बोलो बोलो सारे बहाने छोड़ो छोड़ो बोलो ना दिल में क्या छुपा है बोलो बोलो क्या इरादे बोलो बोलो सारे बहाने छोड़ो छोड़ो. कैसा है ये नशा अन्ना नशा कैसा नशा डूबे हैं इसमें जरा मैं भी तो ये चाहूं नज़ा तेरे मैं जानूं ना छुपा ना छुपा ना तू छुपा
Tell me boy, what do you wanna do?
तेरा जादू जादू
आसमां में तुझको ले चलो.
मुझको काबू काबू
All your wishes I can make come true.
तेरा जादू जादू
क्यों ना तेरा ख्वाब मैं बनूं.
करते मुझको काबू काबू
कैसे कटे ये
रातें
दूरी को अब मिटा दे. पास जरा तू आके tell me what's on your mind.
दिल में क्या छुपा है बोलो बोलो क्या इरादे बोलो बोलो सारे बहाने छोड़ो छोड़ो बोलो ना दिल में क्या छुपा है बोलो बोलो क्या इरादे बोलो बोलो सारे बहाने छोड़ो छोड़ो बोलो ना जरा.
Wow. That was so good. I cannot believe this was unfiltered. Like, all four of you are amazing, but when you were singing, your voice, I can't believe it was unfiltered. Have you changed the way you sing a little bit?
No.
The bass.
Actually, you know what? I usually sing a lot of higher parts because I'm a
Yeah.
soprano. But this time, this song, they gave me the verse,
You sang the
which
low
is
part.
very low. And yeah,
And she was hesitant. She didn't want to
Yeah.
do it, but we were like, Simran, the lows are great in your voice.
Yeah.
yeah,
Honestly,
then
with
I
her tone, the
That you
lows
guys
really
know
were.
each other's strengths. It
I-
was amazing.
yeah.
Can you just go again? Just hear.
Oh my god, the
It
verse.
was fabulous.
कैसा ये नशा नशा
Okay, now I'm shy.
1 second. My ring is stuck.
Oh no, Zoe.
Fine. All
Okay.
good.
कैसा है ये नशा नन्ना नशा कैसा नशा डूबे है इसमें जरा इसमें जरा इसमें जरा.
Oh my god! That was so cute. I was like, oh my god! Like, look at your voice. I think we should do more of these. Don't
Yeah.
you think so?
Like lower parts.
Don't you sing and feel like, wow, I sound so good?
Now that you have, you motivated me.
No, really. Like, I can't believe that's unfiltered.
I was wondering, like, because you've practiced your song so many times, right, from producing to singing to performing and all, do artists ever get bored of their songs?
It can get repetitive. Like
Yeah.
for me, at
Yeah.
least, like I love
Yeah.
to listen to new songs every time,
Yeah.
but it can get like pissing off sometimes.
Yeah, I
With
for
your
own
sure.
songs.
With our own.
Yeah, it's natural.
Actually, you can always play around with the arrangement. So I like doing, when I'm singing a song, I'll do an ad lib differently if we've done it the same way every single time. So then I like changing it up a bit, and that keeps it fun and interesting.
Can
So
you
then
show
I'm
us?
there. Oh my god!
It's her concert. We're just there.
Do the one in head.
We need light sticks.
Head rush.
True.
Yeah. In head rush, I think it goes like, so true. I do that ad lib versus just like, so true.
Yeah.
Do you guys actually go on special diets or skincare routines, or is there anything you guys do to look extra amazing before an important shoot?
I have been dealing with a lot of acne. So it's like
But your
PCOS.
skin is amazing.
Yes,
It's
I was-
glowing.
Yeah, thank you so much. No, it's become better now actually because I've been like treating it with care and eating healthy, and I think the gut, if your gut is clean, then your face would be cleaner.
Yeah.
So when it comes to skincare, I think everyone's very basic, like moisturizer, sunscreen. I personally don't go overboard with any kind of serums or anything.
But do you get a zit right before a big day?
Of course,
That
that's
is
like
so
every girl's nightmare. Before any important show, there has to be a zit.
I feel like if you've done any sin in the past life, that comes as a
In the
zit.
form of
I know.
And it's right somewhere you're gonna hide it.
Why, God, why? You
I'm
did it.
going through that right now.
Oh, I didn't even see it till you said that. That's nothing compared to what I get. Do you fight with each other? Because I've learned through COVID that if you see anybody every day, you will
Sisters,
fight.
Yeah.
they observe all the time.
But I like fighting normally.
What is that statement?
Because
I like that.
it just shows how much I care about my people. I only fight with my loved
Nice comeback.
ones. We fight
Just how much you care.
Our fights are really stupid. Like, we had a fight just before this. It's because,
Let's hear it.
okay, let's see who wins this one.
I'm enjoying this. What did you all fight
Me and
about?
Suchi just bring the popcorn.
Popcorn पे लड़ रहे थे.
I was telling, so I will start. So I packed the curler in my bag to bring it here, to do my hair here. But Sim decided to curl her hair thoda at home and thoda here. But she didn't realize that I wanted to use it here. But she was like, no, now I've started curling my hair.
There you go.
So
I
I'm
didn't
gonna
realize.
continue it here. But I was like, no, I called dibs because I put it in the bag to use it here. So who do you think deserved using the curler first?
I have the perfect solution. Buy another curler.
Yeah, we have it.
too, but we
have-
both wanted that same bond.
Obviously,
Now we
क्या
can't
कर
help
सकते
them.
हैं?
Now we can't help
I
them.
can't
And
help
we
it.
share things, so
It's a
we're
very
like,
sisterly thing.
yeah.
I get it. I
Yeah.
totally.
But see, Natija was this. She used the curler first.
So the younger one is stronger in this.
I
Younger
think
ones
so.
always win.
And that's when I heard Riya say, Sim, please use the cover fast.
Now you get it.
Now I got it.
It's so cute. I think it's adorable. Tell me, to be successful as a, like, of course you have to be able to sing and dance and compose, but apart from that, what is the one quality that a pop star needs to have for long success and massive success?
I would say,
Determination.
yeah, determination, drive, and thick skin. I feel like it's
Yeah.
a tough industry, and
Yeah.
you need to be able to have enough confidence in yourself and in your efforts and your work that other people's
Yeah.
words don't bring you down, because that's very easy for us to lose faith in that. So I would say thicker skin and more confidence in you.
We're going to circle back to that. While first you would tell me what do you think are those qualities, then we'll come back to that.
Yeah, I mean, I agree with whatever they said, but also like being able to prioritize in the moment. You know, sometimes if you've planned to go out with your friends after a long time and then suddenly you get a work call for like something that could maybe change your life, maybe it doesn't, but like you need to take that leap of faith that, you know, you work hard equally for every single thing, and maybe one of them could be that opportunity that changes your life.
Yes.
I like both of your answers very much because I want to elaborate on that. I think what you said, thicker skin, because there's a lot of hatred that comes and backlash and judgment, which you just cannot avoid at all. So it's very important to have a thicker skin. I feel like what you said is so important because time and again, on multiple occasions, you'll be allowed to choose between your personal life and your professional life.
Yes.
And I was actually live a few days ago on my Instagram and I said I've always chosen my professional life. And with time, the people who love you understand this about
Yeah.
you. Then the moment she's done, she'll be back.
Yeah.
She will be where she's supposed to be, but she will fulfill her professional commitment first. And that's a tough choice,
Yeah.
but you just have to.
Yeah, yeah.
A lost opportunity will just be lost and somebody else will grab it.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
you better take it anyway.
Yeah, you don't want to have any regrets, so
True.
go for it.
Only one life. Now, mean comments. What are the meanest comments you've read about yourselves?
Interesting.
And I just feel like really mean, okay? Because internet is nasty.
There's a lot of, do you guys eat?
Body shaming.
Yeah, body shaming for sure.
But revealing clothes.
Yeah. Wear more
yeah,
clothes.
wear more clothes. We all are Indians. Don't
Yeah,
do
that
this.
I don't understand this. You're Indians or what?
Yeah.
So is there a rule that Indians get to
I
wear
know.
short clothes?
Yeah.
I'm always told to wear saris.
Yeah, that's also.
Am I going in a puja?
Yeah.
Then I have to wear sari. Anyway,
Yeah.
more about you.
And they'll expect us to like dance in a sari.
Yeah, I love saris. I think it's my
Yeah.
favorite garment. You can't wear it all the time.
How can you do a split in a sari?
I think आप लोग हिंदी में बात क्यों नहीं करते हो? That is something we get a lot, and we're like sometimes we speak in English quite a bit because it's a universal language and we want to reach people everywhere globally. Our audience is all over the world, and you know, in our country also, like Zoe's from Chennai, she's from South India, so you speak in English
South
all
Indians
your-
don't know Hindi.
Yeah.
So
Not so much anyway.
So it's
It's a global language, like you said. Everybody understands wider reach. Now, is there something you saw yourself do in those videos which you should never do again? For example, you know, you realized, oh, this is what I do on stage. This is what I look like doing this, and maybe I should
Yeah.
improve this.
Yeah, I think once, because I have curly hair and we sweat a lot, so it's like that.
I'll tell you 3 things which will give you instant anxiety wind, open hair, and lip gloss.
I was just gonna say that. I was literally about to say that. It took me like 2 to 3 shows to figure out to realize that listen, stop wearing gloss. I won't even realize. And then it's sticking to
It looks amazing.
Also, like all these lip gloss lines on your face that you see after the show, and you were like, this was there the entire time. Oh god.
So whenever we're doing shoots where we have to dance,
No lip gloss.
keep it matte.
Now we'll go to the random questions. I've let go of rapid fire because we just keep talking about one question. So we'll make it random questions. I'm going to ask you 5 of them. Let's see. First one. Which member is most likely to get married first? What? She's confused. She doesn't agree.
I also think so.
Because she's like, old school love is her way to go.
Yeah.
So,
She doesn't look like she agrees one bit.
I think the rest of us are not in a hurry to get married. We just
But she is?
Suchi.
Are you in a hurry to get married?
I
be.
love to see people getting married
Yeah.
because it makes me very teary for some reason.
You cry.
She's a lover
I'm
girl.
like very softy.
ठीक है. You will get married first. हो गया. Abhi next. Which member eats the most but never gains weight?
both of them.
Both of them.
I don't know.
Yeah,
Very high
They have the
metabolism.
flattest stomach.
Yeah.
I feel like it's a little more sim
It is more
because
sim.
Zoe still complains sometimes that, oh, I ate too much, I'm feeling
bloated
bloated.
Bloating is different, goes away.
And Sim
But
is
he
always
can be
like, I'm
full.
looking skinny today.
So it's you
Yeah.
that we should envy. Which member is most likely to become a Bollywood actor? Yeah, the four of you can.
I love Bollywood
actor.
Is it acting nahi karni?
Like for a
I
day.
feel like
No,
like
all
to
become.
At some point, can you be in a Bollywood movie?
Yeah, I want to.
We would
I think all of us.
all actually.
सबसे पहले किसको break मिलेगा?
ये
The
तो
question is first.
I think we'll only let time.
It's so interesting. We have new info. All of you would love to be actors. कौन से genre या genre मुझे आज तक पता नहीं इस word को pronounce कैसे करते
Definitely thriller.
हैं. Genre होता है कि genre होता है?
Drama.
genre.
Thank you.
Genre.
You've taught me now. Now I'll tell everybody a musician taught me this. I cannot be wrong. Genre. कौन से genre की movie करनी है?
rom-com or thriller.
अच्छा. Why is you shy?
Because Suchi said thriller before me. So I was like, मुझे भी करना
If you love a girl, you should do romance.
चलेगा जो भी. I can try.
She's already living it, so.
Nobody wants to play the villain.
I don't mind playing the villain.
Yeah, with your red hair.
I think that would be fun and also very different from my personality.
yeah,
so it'd be
she
interesting.
doesn't really give villain energy.
No, she does. I told you, right? When I saw it, I was like, this is a mean girl.
Maybe I can bring it out.
Yeah, but you're so sweet in real. I want to clarify. Damn sweet. We are both K-pop fans, so we have a lot to talk.
Yes.
For me, I think rom-com or action.
Oh.
Which member cries the most while watching sad movies?
I think we all cried.
Last
Yeah.
movie that made you cry.
Oh gosh, I was just crying watching. Okay, it's not a movie
F1.
though.
You cried?
F1 was I was so weeping.
Really?
And when they win, it's quite.
That's the happy cry.
But he's just flying.
Yeah, he's just flying.
never spin drop
no
silence.
one.
Oh,
Exactly.
when he's flying. That was the best part.
That's the best part.
F1 made you both cry.
Yeah, for sure.
But I will admit, the last time I cried was watching a dating reality show.
Are you serious?
Yeah. When I see
You know
them,
they're all scripted.
I know.
How can you cry?
I know it. And then when I see them breaking up, I'm like, ah.
Baap re. You know, I just said to troll it. They are so scripted, but ठीक है. Never feel shy of accepting that in public. Okay? Amazing. Wow, the session has come to an end.
Oh.
But I loved it. It was so candid.
Yeah.
It was so chill. We got to know about your album, your music videos, your behind the scenes process, your hair, makeup, your fun, everything. You're
Everything.
amazing girls.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
You are amazing.
Thank you so much. You and your voice.
She's in love with it.
now.
I have a thing for deep voices. Even in males, it's just
Oh, are you like
BTS voice.
V?
I think everybody knows that now. Deepest voice. You know?
If we had to be BTS members, who would we be?
ये कैसा question?
off take.
Four of you?
Yeah.
Like anyone.
I have a bias, so please pick my bias.
No,
for
no,
me.
no. She has to. From
Yeah,
her
like
perspective.
After you say.
I think you'll be RM.
Even I was saying Aaron, but
Yes.
he's very tall, right? And Zoe's
Is he
No,
the
not
lead?
me.
No,
Ria.
Because
spokesperson,
yeah,
like.
this leader aura.
yeah, okay.
Sure.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
keep everybody in check and
Yeah,
I,
yeah,
so
for
you'll
sure.
definitely be RM. You'll be
I
Sugar.
like you back though.
He's so happy. Is he your bias?
Yes.
Thank you, girls. One last hurrah. Everybody say bye. Thank you.
Bye.
so much.
Are you a blush blindness girl or a minimal?
I always put my blush like here to accentuate my cheeks.
So the actual step is okay, and then we go into this step. But Riya starts.
I started with this.
So I'm doing this, and then I'm like, and then